Hi, my name is Plamena and today we will talk about art in Bulgarian. The word for art itself is изкуство. Art in general, изкуство. When we put it in plural, it can be изкуства, arts. And depending on the type of art, the different combinations will change. For example, if we have the art of music, musical art, we will have музикално, изкуство, or музикални, изкуства. Musical art, musical arts. Then, what other arts we have? We have visual arts, визуални, изкуства. We also have digital arts, дигитални изкуства. We also have dance arts, танцови изкуства. The art of movies, the cinema. We call cinema in Bulgarian кино. And we have филмово изкуство, the art of movies. And when we create pictures, when we paint or when we draw, we have a person who is called художник in Bulgarian. And when we want to say that he is painting, we use the verb рисувам. Рисувам can be used for painting or for sketching or for drawing. But рисувам cannot be used for painting your walls by a builder or by yourself. That one is боядисвам. So, художникът рисува картини. The artist is painting paintings or pictures. But бояджията боядисва стената. The painter is painting the wall, the whole wall itself. And we also have the art of sculpture. So, скулптура is the word for sculpture and sculptor is the person. Скулптурът прави скулптури. The sculptor makes sculptures. So, правя, правиш, verb from group E, to do, to make. One of the most general verbs that we can have in Bulgarian, from making a salad, правя салата, to making a sculpture, правя скулптура, or whatever you might be doing or not. Какво правиш? Very common question. What are you doing? And then when we want to alleviate our style a little bit, to create something, in Bulgarian has two options. Създавам, group A, аз създавам изкуство, or аз не създавам изкуство, I create art, or I don't create art, and then творя. It means to create something anew. Аз творя, ти твориш. For example, I love creating, аз обичам да творя, or аз обичам да създавам. I personally love to make things with my hands, so I will also have the expression аз обичам да правя неща с ръце, or аз обичам да създавам неща с ръце, or аз обичам да творя с ръце. And the adjective. Творчески, творческа, творческо, творчески for plural. So, творчески for masculine, творческа, feminine, творческо, neutral, творчески, plural. Creative. Аз имам творческа професия. I have creative profession. For example, have you heard any of these words? Or maybe there is still something that you want to be able to talk about art in Bulgarian, but you still don't know how. If that's the case, comment below and we will be absolutely here to help you. Thank you so very much. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you in our next video. Bye for now.